Seeing lots of suggestions on your TikTok search page that don't appeal to you? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to remove the You May Like suggestions on TikTok. Now let's get started. When you open your search page on TikTok, you'll see this section labeled You May Like. If the suggestions you see here aren't interesting to you, you can hit the refresh button to switch them up. But if that isn't doing enough, here are a few other things you can do to tailor them more to your liking. Go to your TikTok profile and tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Select Settings and Privacy. Now select Content Preferences. Tap Manage Topics. Now use the sliders for each topic area to indicate if you want to see more or less of each of these. Move the slider to the right to see more of a topic, or slide it to the left if you want to see less. When you're done, tap Save in the top right corner. Go back to your settings and select Notifications. Scroll down to the Personalized Post Suggestions section and ensure all three of the switches here are turned off. Go back to your settings again and select Activity Center. Tap Search History. Tap Select. Then tap Select All Search History at the bottom. Tap Delete to clear out your search history. Tap Delete in the pop-up to confirm. Now return to your search page and see if your suggestions are looking better. If not, scroll to the bottom of the search page and tap Help Us Improve. Select the suggested searches are not interesting or are not personalized. Now select all of the search suggestions you want to get rid of and tap Submit. You may have to do this a couple of times to clear out all the suggestions that don't appeal to you. After this, you can refresh your suggestions, and they should be better tailored to your preferences. That wraps up our top tips to improving your search suggestions on TikTok. Want to check out your TikTok watch history? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.